Hello, Chris. It's Tuesday. It's Thanksgiving Eve. We already got blueberry pie, we got pumpkin pie, we got the turkey in the fridge, waiting to get cooked. Anyways, so behind me I have Mario, and today I watched this video on game theories, and it was talking about how Mario is evil, and at first I was thinking, okay, they're just going to come up with some kind of BS stuff that is going to be like, oh, well, Mario wore a red shoe in Mario 3, and that means the Twilight Zone, or X-Files. I think that was the Twilight Zone. So, these videos are supposed to be about, like, what's going on in our lives. I think you asked me in one of the last videos, like, what do I do? Anyways, mostly all I do is go to work and do school. First off, I want to talk about being a manager, and it's been really different. You know, it's really been helping me, in my social life, just because of the real big thing is, you know, I can tell people what to do all day, but actually getting them to do that thing is a little bit more difficult. I mean, you can go like the dictator route and just, you know, write them up every time that they don't do something that you want them to do, or you actually have to talk to them and convince them, hey, what I want you to do is the best way to do it, or just listen to me because I said so. So most of the time I'm a pretty reasonable guy, most of the time. So I try to go up to people and just be like, you know what are you thinking? Like, and I tell them like why it has to be a certain way. It's been really interesting on how things are going so far. So I know we keep talking about the electric car, but I want to talk about it one more time because I was actually contemplating buying one again. Anyways, one of the big complaints is that it loses a bar of battery every like 5 years or so, and then that means your Leaf or whatever, instead of going 120 miles, it now only goes 100 miles, and then so forth. So basically, in about 10 years, your Leaf is going to be worthless, and that's not very good for me, because what's the point of owning a car if you can't resell it for anything, which does basically squat for me. Another complaint by BP, gas companies, and stuff like that that I actually sort of agree with is the fact of if everybody just starts using electric cars, is then we're going to have to, I mean, we're still going to have to make electricity using coal. I mean, until we figure out a decent solar way of doing things, it's just going to do just as much harm to the world, or the Earth. I don't know, coal is a little bit cleaner, I've heard, but still, it's probably just as bad. Let me know what you think about it. Lastly, in my math class, my math teacher is really talking about number theory, and it's really interesting, even though that's not what the class is called. It's just algebra. But I decided to go on YouTube and check out a couple number theories videos. They start getting way out of hand, and then I'm like, okay, what's going on? And I was wondering if you knew anything about number theory, and if you could maybe explain something in your next video, or if you don't want to, show me a YouTube channel or whatever that might show me some things. Alright, well, I will talk to you on Wednesday, I guess. Actually, no, I won't talk to you. You'll talk to me. I will talk to you on Friday. Alright, bye. Oh, I almost forgot about my punishment video. I want you to tell me what John had to eat, and because I looked at it, and it seems like they've been adding things since the first time I looked at it, so please tell me exactly what I need to eat. If I do need to eat all of them, it's gonna be like $38, and that's not fun. But, I mean, if I gotta do it, then I gotta do it.